Well, I'd better be off to my concert.
Oh, thank you so much for playing, Mr. Boyd. We really enjoyed it.
Yeah, we sure did. Oh, yeah. And I want to dance some more. But not in the classroom.
Thank goodness.
Goodbye, everybody. Bye,
baby.
Bye, Barney. Bye.
Come back soon.
I'd better be going too. Me too.
And I'd better get going if I'm going to get to the concert in time. Thanks again, everyone.
Oh, thank you, Mr. Boyd.
Bye.
So long, everyone. Take care
Bye,
now.
Barney.
Love you.
Thanks again.
Bye-bye, Mr. Boyd. So long, everybody. See you soon.
You didn't have to go to all this trouble for us to meet your sister, who is stunning, by the way.
So what do we do now? We wait.
Hey, everybody. It's time for Barney Says.
Hello again to all my friends. I'm glad you came to play. Our fun and learning never ends. Here's what we did today. There are so many different ways to enjoy music. You can sing along or play a musical instrument. Tosha played the piano with Mr. Boyd. Baby Bop loves to dance to music. Oops, she accidentally made a mess. Sometimes a room can look so messy, you don't know how you'll ever clean it up. But when friends help friends, a big job can be fun. You can help at home by sweeping, or picking up your toys, or emptying waste baskets into the trash can. You can practice learning shapes while picking up blocks. What shape is Baby Bop holding? That's right, it's a triangle. Tosha and Shawn put every letter in the right place in the alphabet puzzle. They sure know their ABCs. Wasn't Mr. Boyd surprised when he saw how quickly we cleaned up the classroom? He had enough time to play in his concert. But before he left, he played a special song just for us. That was a nice way to say thank you to all of his friends. And remember, too, that I love you.
Coming in 1999, an all-new video adventure. Ronald and his friends set sail in search of a hidden treasure on a mystical island. The secret home of all Grimaces. Don't miss The Legend of Grimace Island, available only at McDonald's.
See you soon, Barney! Coming up later, shout a big yay because our Play With Me Sesame friends will be here to play. But first, it's time for some super-duper fun and songs with Barney again. Coming up next, right here on Sprout.